Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Silver Bowl in Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania, where tonight the Mount Carmel Area High School Red Tornadoes play host to the visiting North Schuylkill Spartans. And now, looking at the visiting North Schuylkill Spartans, the head coach is Barry Hackenberg, and there you see the roster. Quarterback is Jordan. And now the roster of the Mount Carmel Area Red Tornadoes, the head coach, Joe Jazz Dimnick. And there you see the 1983 roster. Mount Carmel Area's kickoff by number 20 will do the kicking, Mike Dimnick. And the kickoff is taken down at the 4-yard line by number 40, Scott Hauser, and returned to the 29. And the tackler looked like number 53, Jeff Witkowski. North Schuylkill now is looking at 3rd and 9 at their own 49. And quarterback number 21, Tony Jordan, hits left end number 86, Joe James, with a pass good for 49 yards and a TD. The extra point attempt by number 65, Bill Kaufman, is good. And with just over 8 minutes left in the And now the Red Tornadoes have a 2nd and 6 at their own 28. Quarterback number 11, Kwiatkowski's pass is completed to number 20, Mike Dimnick. Good for 19 yards, with Tony Jordan making the stop on the number 21. On call 1st and 10 at the 47, number 11. Quarterback Kwiatkowski is sacked by number 11, Steve Ennis, for a 4-yard loss. And now on 3rd and 14 at the 43. Number 11, Rod Kwiatkowski back to pass, and he's sacked by number 11, Steve Ennis, for a 10-yard loss. And the punt is down by Mike Dimnick. First and 10 now. And Scott Hauser goes 56 yards all the way down to the 16 as number 20, Mike Dimnick, makes a saving tackle. And now to start the second quarter, North Schuylkill 4th and 5 at the Mount Carmel area 49. North Schuylkill's punt is taken by number 44, Len Guarna, at the 21. He hands off to number 20, Mike Dimnick. At the 18, he races 53 yards down the left sideline all the way down to the 29, where number 9, Ron Jordan, makes a shoestring tackle. Red Tornadoes now with a second and goal at the 2. Quarterback number 11, Rod Kwiatkowski, gets in the end zone, touchdown. Extra point attempt by number 20, Dimnick, is good, but there's a 5-yard penalty. And a retry, Dimmick from 5 yards deeper. And once again, it's right down the middle. Good. Scoreboard shows with 58 seconds left in the first half, Mount Carmel area 15, North Schuylkill 7. And that was the last play of the first half. The scoreboard shows 15-7, Mount Carmel area. But now the officials say that there was a second left, and it was run off, so they're going to run another play. And with no time left, that's it. End of the half. North Schuylkill now at 3rd and 6 on their own 34. Quarterback number 21, Tony Jordan's pass is picked off by number 10, Brian Wascavage at the Mount Carmel area 40. And now the Spartans with a 3rd and 10 at their own 22. Quarterback number 21, Tony Jordan's pass is picked off by number 44, Len Bourne at the North Schuylkill 35, and he returns it 10 yards to North Schuylkill 25. Number 83, Tim Reinhold, and number 70, Mike Mayer on the stop. First and 10 at the North Schuylkill 25, number 26, Jeff Pollock fumbles and North Schuylkill recovers at its own 23. First and 10 at their own 23, quarterback number 21, Jordan's pass is intercepted by number 20, Mike Diminick at the 26 and returned to the 22. And now the Red Tornadoes with a 3rd and 2 at the 3. Quarterback 11, Frukowski gets around his right end, touchdown, with 2:54 left in the 3rd quarter. Extra point is not shown on the scoreboard. Number 20, Dimnick runs it in for the 2-point conversion. Montcalm area 23, North Schuylkill 7. And now North Schuylkill with a 1st and 10 at their own 36. Quarterback number 21, Jordan's pass is completed to number 83, Reinhold, who laterals to number 40, Hauser, on a hook and ladder, and he takes it down to the Montgomery 49, a gain of 15. And now, number 40, Hauser on the carry, and that proves to be the final play of the 3rd quarter. Red Tornadoes now with a 3rd and 8 at their own 46. Quarterback number 11, Kwiatkowski's pass is completed to, it's hard to tell, it looked like number 14, Brano, and he gets the first down. Red Tornadoes now looking at a 3rd down and 12 at the North Schuylkill 32. Quarterback number 11, Kwiatkowski, finds number 88, Chris Lockie, for a 32-yard touchdown pass. Scoreboard with 7:04 left in the game. The extra point attempt by number 20, Dimnick, is good. Mount Carmel area 30, North Schuylkill 7. On 2nd down and 10 at the 45, North Schuylkill, number 21, quarterback Jordan, back to pass, tucks it in, and goes 16 yards to the Mount Carmel area 40. North Schuylkill now 1st and 10 at the 40. Quarterback number 21, Jordan's pass is complete to number 83, Reinhold, to the 27. And now North Schuylkill, the 1st and 10 at the 27. Quarterback 21, Jordan's pass completed. Once again to number 83, Reinhold, down to the 14 as number 44, Guana makes a stop. And North Schuylkill 1st and 10 at the Mount Carmel area 41. Quarterback Jordan's pass is completed to Reinhold again on a diving catch at the 1-yard line. 2nd and goal at the 1. And number 40, Scott Hauser, gets into the end zone. Touchdown, North Schuylkill. 2-point try, and the pass is incomplete. Scoreboard with 3:55 left in the game. Mount Carmel area 30, North Schuylkill 13. And North Schuylkill trying an onside kick recovered by the Red Tornadoes. 1st and 10 at their own 43. Number 5, Jim Darrop, is now the Mount Carmel area quarterback, and number 25, Sean Madden, is the tailback. And that was Chris Darrop, not Jim Darrop. Red Tornadoes with a 2nd and 1 at the North Schuylkill 31. And number 34, Joe Polovic, gets the carry, and he goes 31 yards into the end zone. Red Tornado touchdown. Red Tornadoes trying a 2-point conversion. Pass is short. No good. Scoreboard, Mount Carmel area 36, North Schuylkill 13. And that proved to be the final play of the game that you're looking at right now. And that final score, 36-13 Red Tornadoes. And in this 1983 homecoming game at the Silver Bowl in Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania, the final score is the Mount Carmel area Red Tornadoes 36, the North Schuylkill Spartans 13. For Mount Carmel football, this is all-time win number 547. And the homecoming queen tonight was Miss Susan Cole, and crowning Miss Cole was Glenn Wetzel and Len Guarna, varsity members of the team.